Find a unit rate involving unit fractions. Tia skateboards 2/3 of a mile for every 1/6 of an hour. How many miles does Tia skateboard per hour? First, I'm going to take this important information from the problem to create a rate. So we have 2/3 of a mile, and this happens every 1/6 hour. The problem is asking for the number of miles per hour, and per means 1. So we need to find the miles in 1 hour. Well, let's take a look. To get from 1/6 to 1, we need to multiply by 6. So whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. So let's do 2/3 times 6 over 1. 2 times 6 is 12, and 3 times 1 is 3. Now let's simplify. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. So I can say that Tia skateboards 4 miles per hour. Kelly is knitting a scarf for her dog for the holidays. It took her 1/3 of an hour to knit 3/8 foot of a scarf. How fast is Kelly's knitting speed in feet per hour? Well, I know that she knit 3/8 of a foot of the scarf. This took 1/3 of an hour. The problem is asking for her knitting speed in feet per hour. Per means 1, so we need to find the feet in 1 hour. Well, in order to get from 1/3 to 1, I need to multiply by 3. So whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. Let's compute 3/8 times 3 over 1. 3 times 3 is 9, and 8 times 1 is 8. When we simplify, 8 goes into 9 one time, and there's 1 left over. So we can say that Kelly's knitting speed is 1 1/8 feet per hour. Leo reads 13 pages in 1/4 of an hour. How many pages does Leo read in 1 hour? Well, the problem tells us that he reads 13 pages, and this happens in 1/4 of an hour. The problem is asking for the number of pages in 1 hour. So let's take a look. To get from 1/4 to 1, we need to multiply by 4. So whatever I do to the bottom, I have to do to the top. 13 times 4 is 52. So we can say Leo reads 52 pages in 1 hour.